Welcome back, my friends. The news today is that Salesforce shares pop on earnings beat an optimistic forecast. Salesforce's results and guidance came in stronger than analysts had predicted. The stock jumped in extended trading. What does it mean for big tech companies? What does it mean for the economy? And, what does it mean for the future of the United States? But, before we get into all of that, please press the like button and leave us a comment below. We would love to hear from you. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are notified of upcoming videos when they are released. And, before we continue, a word from the sponsor of this video. Today's sponsor is ProWorldNet.com. ProWorldNet.com is a job website specifically dedicated to licensed professions. Doctors, including any type of specialty. Nurses, and that includes all grades of nurses. Lawyers, regardless of area of legal focus. Teachers and professors, from kindergarten through graduate school. As well as any kind of job that requires a government license or certification. And ProWorld.net also includes short-term gig-type jobs as well. So, be sure to check out ProWorldNet.com if you are looking for a job or an employee. Salesforce shares jumped 6% in extended trading on Wednesday after the cloud software company announced quarterly results and guidance that surpassed Wall Street's expectations. Here's how the company did. Earnings, $2.12 per share, adjusted, versus $1.90 per share as expected by analysts, according to Refinitiv. Revenue, $8.60 billion, versus $8.53 billion as expected by analysts, according to Refinitiv. Salesforce's revenue in the fiscal second quarter increased 11% from a year earlier, according to a statement. Net income rose to $1.27 billion, or $1.28 per share, from $68 million, or 7 cents per share, in the year-ago quarter. An uncertain economy continues to pressure Salesforce's growth, finance chief Amy Weaver said on a conference call with analysts. The company encountered softness in the U.S. during the quarter, and in several industries like technology, retail and consumer goods, she said. We are still seeing elongated sales cycles, additional deal approval layers, and deal compression in our subscription and support and professional services businesses, Weaver said. Clients have been more careful since July 2022, she said. For the current quarter, Salesforce called for $2.05 to $2.06 in adjusted earnings per share on $8.7 billion to $8.72 billion in revenue. Analysts polled by Refinitiv had expected adjusted earnings of $1.83 per share and $8.66 billion in sales. The company delivered growth in all 5 of its product categories, and CEO Mark Benioff sees expansion ahead through artificial intelligence. We're leading our customers into the new AI era, he was quoted as saying in a statement. Salesforce lifted its full-year forecast. It now sees $8.04 to $8.06 in adjusted earnings per share on $34.7 billion to $34.8 billion in revenue, implying 11% revenue growth. Analysts surveyed by Refinitiv had been looking for $7.45 per share in profit and $34.65 billion in revenue. 3 months ago, the company issued guidance of $7.41 to $7.43 in adjusted earnings per share and $34.5 billion to $34.7 billion in revenue, which would have meant 10% revenue growth. During the quarter, Salesforce said AI enhancements to its Sales Cloud and Service Cloud applications were available for $50 per person per month on top of existing costs. And it announced an AI cloud that will encompass tools for marketing and data analysis. Neither AI nor a recent price hike will have a major impact on the full-year guidance, Weaver said. Salesforce shares have climbed 62% so far this year, while the S&P 500 index has gained about 18% over the same stretch. Salesforce, founded in 1999 by Mark Benioff, Parker Harris, Dave Mellenhoff, and Frank Dominguez, is a cloud-based customer relationship management (CRM) platform that revolutionized the way businesses manage their interactions with customers and handle sales, marketing, and customer service processes. Here's a brief overview of its history. Mark Benioff, a former executive at Oracle, started Salesforce with the vision of creating a software solution that would help businesses manage their customer relationships more effectively. The company's first product, launched in 2000, was an online CRM system that allowed companies to track sales leads, opportunities, and customer interactions. Salesforce was a pioneer in delivering enterprise software through the cloud, offering its services over the internet rather than traditional on-premises installations. This cloud-based approach eliminated the need for expensive hardware and software installations, making CRM more accessible to businesses of all sizes. In 2006, Salesforce introduced the concept of the App Exchange, an online marketplace for third-party applications that integrated with the Salesforce platform. This move allowed businesses to customize their CRM systems with specialized tools and applications. Additionally, Salesforce expanded its offerings beyond sales to include customer service and marketing automation, becoming a complete CRM solution. As social media and mobile devices gained prominence, Salesforce focused on integrating these technologies into its platform. The company introduced features like Chatter, a social collaboration tool, and developed mobile apps to enable users to access their CRM data on the go. Salesforce integrated artificial intelligence, AI, capabilities into its platform with the launch of Einstein, which provided AI-driven insights and predictions to help businesses make more informed decisions. The company also acquired various analytics and data visualization tools to enhance its capabilities. In addition to its core CRM offerings, Salesforce expanded into various other business areas. The company acquired MuleSoft, a platform for integrating different software applications, enabling smoother data exchange between systems. They also ventured into e-commerce by acquiring Demandware, later rebranded as Salesforce Commerce Cloud. The acquisition of Tableau further bolstered their data analytics and visualization capabilities. Over the years, Salesforce has continued to innovate its platform with new features, integrations, and services. The company's focus on user-friendly interfaces, scalability, and adaptability to changing business needs has contributed to its sustained success. Today, Salesforce is one of the leading CRM providers globally, serving a wide range of industries and business sizes. Its cloud-based approach, emphasis on customization and integration, and dedication to social responsibility have played a significant role in shaping its history and impact on the business technology landscape. And Salesforce is not the only big tech company that is enjoying growing business. Nvidia shares rose 4.2% Tuesday to close at a record, after the chipmaker announced a partnership with Google that could expand distribution of its artificial intelligence technology. The stock's torrid run continued, as it's now up 234% in 2023, making it by far the best performer in the S&P 500. The record close comes less than a week after the company said quarterly revenue doubled from a year earlier and gave a forecast indicating that sales this period could rise 170% on an annual basis. The day after the better-than-expected earnings report, the stock climbed to a record intraday high of $502.66 before retreating in the afternoon. Nvidia's business is booming because its graphics processing units, or GPUs, are being gobbled up by cloud companies, government agencies and startups to train and deploy generative AI models like the technology underpinning OpenAI's ChatGPT. A blockbuster profit report Wednesday from Nvidia crystallized an important point for both markets and the economy. For better or worse, artificial intelligence is the future. Whether it's personalized shopping, self-driving cars or a broad array of robotics uses for healthcare, gaming and finance, AI will become a factor in virtually everyone's lives. AI is real, AI is not a fad, and we're only in the early innings, said Steve Blitz, chief U.S. economist at TS Lombard. Does it change the course of the economy over the next 3 to 6 months? Probably not. Does it change the economy over the course of the next 3 to 6 years? Absolutely, and in very interesting ways. Some of the changes Blitz foresees are reduced demand for foreign labor, a point-of-sale effect where coding and creative writing can be done by machines instead of people, and a host of other activities that go beyond what appears obvious now. Development of products such as OpenAI's ChatGPT, a chatbot that converses with the user, has helped bring home the potential. It's hard for me to overstate the value or the impact of AI, and it is in keeping with my view that this coming decade is all about the broader application of technology beyond what we've seen to date, beyond computers and phones, and that application has tremendous upside, Blitz said. For Nvidia, the upside already has been apparent. As if profit of $1.09 a share on revenue of $7.19 billion, both well above Wall Street estimates, wasn't enough, the company guided it was expecting $11 billion in sales for the current quarter, largely driven by its leadership position in the AI chip supplying business. Shares soared more than 26% higher around midday Thursday, and the company's market value surpassed $950 billion. By now, I think that we have all heard that Microsoft has invested billions in OpenAI. OpenAI is an artificial intelligence company and the maker of ChatGPT. Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence to complete. This involves creating intelligent algorithms and computer programs that can do human-like things. ChatGPT has become incredibly popular. It is a conversational artificial intelligence chatbot. ChatGPT has the potential to replace the Google search engine. And that will definitely hurt Google's ad revenue business model. If you follow this channel, you already know that Google's ad revenue business model is under enough threats. ChatGPT has amassed over 1 million users in just 5 days after its public launch in November. It has the capability to generate singular answers to many types of questions. And it responds in a conversational, human-like way. It works by collecting information from millions of websites. Users have asked the chatbot many types of questions. To write a college essay, provide coding advice, and even serve as a therapist. But, what do you think? Please leave us a comment below and hit the like button. We would love to hear from you. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are notified of upcoming videos when they are released. Please share this video on social media. Thank you for watching.